So last week we already learned about question words in Bahasa Indonesia. Have you still remember? For example, like apakah, and then apa, and then what else? Kapan, di mana, kemana, dari mana. This is the previous lesson for last week. And then siapa, right? What else?
Bagaimana.
Evet, bagaimana. And then what else? Kenapa? What is kenapa?
Why?
Yeah, why? Mengapa is more formal. Yeah.
Yes.
And then what else? We already learned. Keberapa. What is keberapa?
Kaçıncı? Yani
Kaçıncı. Evet, which order? Evet, kaçıncı. Berapa? Berapa yani kaç, değil mi? How many, how much, berapa it means. And then what else we already learned. So there are a lot of question words that we already learned in the previous lesson last week. So Abdullah maybe can watch again the video I already upload on YouTube. So this is apakah for yes or no question. Apa means what. Kapan means when. Di mana means where. Kemana where to. Yani di mana bu nerede, kemana nereye, dari mana where from, nereden, siapa who, bagaimana how, kenapa why. Kenapa is informal way to say why. Mengapa is more formal. Mengapa. Keberapa means kaçıncı, which order. Berapa means how many, how much, kaç. Now we will continue our lessons. Is there any question about this part before? If no, we will continue our lessons. So today, we will continue to the page 5, from page 5. Using text bukan and ya. So a lot of Indonesian people say kan it doesn't mean kan yani blood deal ya. Kan yani bukan. For example, in bahasa we say Anda guru bukan. It means in English, are you a teacher? Aren't you? So question text we use bukan. Misalnya Turcesi demme. Sen öğretmensin değil mi? Öyle. Sen öğretmensin değil mi? Nah, in Indonesia, in Indonesian language we say bukan. Misalnya Indonesia bukan diurus. Salah. I will give some examples. For example here, Anda guru bukan? Anda guru bukan? So bukan is a question text. In English we say you are a teacher, aren't you? Aren't you? Misalnya Turcesi sen öğretmensin değil mi? Öyle. Değil mi değil mi? Misalnya değil mi? Öyle. Değil mi? Sen öğretmensin değil mi? Deme bu bukan. We use bukan in bahasa. Aren't you for question text? Or if bukan is a little bit long, so I make it shorter. I just delete bu and then I use kan. For example, Anda guru kan? So it's more common for Indonesian people to say kan. Anda guru kan? Yani you are a teacher, aren't you? So the meaning is the same, but this is for the shortest one. But this is for informal way. Anda guru kan? Something like that. This is for formal. And this is for informal. Anda guru kan? So misalnya Turcesi sen öğretmensin değil mi? Öyle. Değil mi? Bu we use kan. You are a teacher, aren't you? Anda guru kan? Another example. Saudara setuju dengan kami, bukan? You agree with us, don't you? So we use also bukan. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu kan? You live in that house, don't you? Kamu tinggal di rumah itu kan? Ya dah. Or I can use kamu tinggal di rumah itu bukan? I can use both of them. So this is for informal way. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu kan? You live in that house, don't you? Sen o evde kalıyorsun değil mi? Öyle demek. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu kan? Instead of bukan, kan, we can also use ya. So, for example, kamu tinggal di rumah itu ya. So, I can use like that also. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu ya. But the intonation is asking something. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu ya. Or I can use kamu tinggal di rumah itu bukan? So, it's the same meaning. Both of three of them, all of them is the same meaning. Kan, ya, bukan is for question text. Kamu tinggal di rumah itu kan? Kamu tinggal di rumah itu ya? Kamu tinggal di rumah itu bukan? So it's the same meaning. Bukan, kan, ya. I can use one of them to the meaning is the same. You live in that house, don't you? So the meaning is the same. You live in that house, don't you? Don't you? Mesela Türkçesi o evde kalıyorsun değil mi? Öyle. Doğru mu abla?
Doğru hocam.
Öyle. Mesela
Doğru.
değil mi böyle değil mi? Bu yani in Indonesia'da kan ya bukan olur. Kan ya bukan. Yani kan ya this is for informal way, bukan for formal way. This is bukan formal. But kan and ya mostly this is informal. But most Indonesian people use this one informal way. Yani bu don't you, aren't you is question text. Question text. Mesela Türkçesi değil mi? Değil mi? Öyle. Sorular var mı ablalar? Is there any question for this one? For question text? Another example here. Ini kelas bahasa Indonesia ya? This is Indonesian class, isn't it? Ini kelas bahasa Indonesia ya? Or I can say ini kelas bahasa Indonesia kan? So I can say like that also. Ini kelas bahasa Indonesia bukan? Is the same. For example, kamu orang Turki ya? What is the meaning of this? Kamu orang Turki ya?
You are Turkish.
Yeah.
Aren't you?
Yeah, you are Turkish, aren't you? You are.
Sen Türksün değil mi?
Yeah, sen Türksün değil mi? Öyle. Turkish, aren't you? It's the same. Yani sen Türksün değil mi? Öyle.
Evet.
Kamu orang Turki ya? Or I can say, kamu orang Turki kan? Kamu orang Turki kan? Or I can say, kamu orang Turki bukan? So it's the same meaning. You are Turkish, aren't you? Sen Türksün değil mi? Öyle. Kamu orang Turki ya? Kamu orang Turki kan? Kamu orang Turki bukan? But mostly, I heard in Indonesia, most people say kan. Kamu orang Turki kan? To make it, but a little bit different, for just little bit different between ya and kan. Actually, when I say kamu orang Turki ya, so I don't have any idea that you are Turkish. I just ask, But when I say kamu orang Turki kan, I already have idea that you are Turkish, and I make it I just make it sure that you are Turkish. So it's a little bit different. But the meaning is the same, but the using is a little bit different between ya and kan. When Indonesian people say kamu orang Turki ya, so she or he doesn't have any idea that you are Turkish. But when Indonesian people say kamu orang Turki kan, maybe she or he already know that you are Turkish, but to make it sure, they ask again. So we use kan. So kan mostly for make it sure, but yeah, we don't have any idea before. Like that, Abla. Bukan is just formal way. Shorter, for the shorter one, we use kan. So kan and bukan is the same meaning. Is there any question, Abla, for this? For question words? So is it clear enough? What is the little bit different between ya and kan?
Yes, I think.
Okay. So Dale me, yani don't you, aren't you, the question text, we can use ya. So I make it summarize a little bit. We can use ya or kan or bukan. But kan, ya, kan, this is for informal way, bukan is for formal way. Okay. We continue our lesson to the next topic. What is this? This is just for giving answer. For example, like, Anda wartawan? Are you a journalist? Yes, iya. We just say ya or iya. So it's the same meaning, ya and iya. But iya is more emphasized. For example, iya it also means yes, evet. But iya, this also yes, but yes, for example, like to make it emphasize, to confirm an answer, this one. So often people say iya to emphasize or confirm an answer. So iya can be used to respond to tag questions also. So this the same meaning, yeah, just to make it more clear, to make it sure, we say iya. But when we say ya, it's also, the meaning is the same. Yes, also. Evet. İkisi de evet demek. Ama iya daha good. Nasıl ya? Stronger. Yeah. And then for negative answer, so before for positive answer, we say iya or ya. For negative answer, we say tidak, bukan, or belum. What is the difference between tidak, bukan, or belum?
Tidak means no.
Yeah, tidak means no. Exactly. What is bukan?
Bukan, isn't it? Yeah, değil mi?
Değil, evet, bukan. But it's also no, but for noun. For example, yeah, but tidak generally for sifat and fi'il. Yani verb and adjective. So it's different. Tidak, no, for verb, fi'il, and adjective, sifat. But bukan is for noun. For example, saya bukan guru. Yani öğretmen değilim. I'm not a teacher, because teacher is a noun. And then belum, what is belum? Means?
Not yet.
Not yet, exactly. Not yet. Not yet. So tidak Tidak means no, but we use for verb and adjective. But bukan is also mean no, but we use for noun. Belum, it means not yet. So misalnya turcesibu tidak hire demek ama fiil ve sifat laricin kulaniyoruz. Bukan hire, yani değil ya. Misalnya turcesi değil. Misalnya ben öğretmen değilim. Öyle. Bu isim için bukan, yani değil. Belum yani henüz değil demek. Değil mi? Not yet. Henüz değil.
Evet.
Öyle. Example, tidak. For example, tidak. Saya tidak cantik. What is the meaning of saya tidak cantik?
Ben güzel değilim mi?
Ya, ben
Es-
güzel değilim. Ben güzel değilim. Yani mesela İngilizce, I'm not beautiful. I'm not beautiful. Because beautiful is adjective, so we use tidak here. Saya tidak cantik. Not saya bukan cantik. Saya bukan cantik, uyanless. We cannot say bukan because cantik is adjective, not a noun. So saya tidak cantik. We say like that in bahasa Indonesia. I'm not beautiful. Another example. Saya tidak bekerja di kantor. What is the meaning of this? Saya tidak bekerja di kantor.
I don't work in the office.
Yeah, I don't work in the office. Yani office teh çalışmıyorum demek. Öyle değil mi? Saya tidak bekerja di kantor. Bekerja is a verb, fiil. So we use tidak here. Saya tidak bekerja di kantor. We cannot use saya bukan bekerja, almost. Saya bukan bekerja di kantor. This is false. Because bekerja is the verb. So we use tidak. Saya tidak bekerja di kantor. Yani I don't work in the office. Office teh çalışmıyorum demek. Saya tidak bekerja di kantor. Because bekerja is a verb, so we use tidak. For this one, saya tidak cantik, yani ben güzel değilim. I'm not beautiful, because beautiful is adjective, so we use tidak. Saya tidak cantik. Not saya bukan cantik. This is false. Almost. Buda almost. Saya bukan bekerja di kantor, buda almost. Example for bukan, so we use for noun. For example, saya bukan mahasiswa. What is the meaning of saya bukan mahasiswa?
I'm not a university student.
Yeah, I'm not university student. Mahasiswa means University Orange demek. Yani University Orange değilim. Öyle demek. Saya bukan. We use bukan here because mahasiswa is a noun. Isim is a noun. So we use bukan. Saya bukan mahasiswa. I'm not a university student. I cannot use saya tidak mahasiswa. Bu, Yandes. Almost. This is false. So because mahasiswa is a noun, mahasiswa means university student. University student is a noun. So I use bukan. Saya bukan mahasiswa. Like that. Another example. Saya bukan ibunya. What is the meaning of saya bukan ibunya? Saya bukan ibunya. I'm not
his mom, or I'm not her mom.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, I'm not his mother or her mother. Yeah. So saya bukan ibunya. Yani onun annesi değilim demek. Saya bukan because ibu is mother is a noun. Like that. Saya bukan ibunya. Noun meslek for job. Falan bu bukan. Meslek bukan. For negative answer. Saya bukan ibunya. I'm not his mother because mother is a noun. So we use bukan. Yani onun annesi değilim. We use bukan. Bukan here burada.
If I want to
What
say
ab-
I'm not Indonesian, I
Yeah.
am not Indonesian. Saya bukan
Saya
dari Indonesia
bukan- Saya bukan orang Indonesia.
orang Indonesia. Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you.
Saya bukan orang Indonesia. Because orang Indonesia, yani Indonesian, is a noun, right? Saya bukan orang Indonesia. We use bukan here. Because it's a noun, so we use bukan. It means I'm not Indonesian. We cannot say saya tidak orang Indonesia, Bu Yandes. Saya tidak orang Indonesia is false. So we say saya bukan orang Indonesia. I'm not Indonesian. And another example for belum. Belum means not yet. Saya belum makan. What is the meaning of saya belum makan?
I haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, I
haven't eaten
haven't.
yet.
Yes, exactly. Evet. I haven't eaten yet. Saya belum makan. Yani yemek yemedim daha. Doğru mu? Yani henüz yemek yemedim. Öyle. Henüz yemek yemedim. Doğru mu Tursyasi abla? Yemedim. Saya belum makan. Yani I haven't eaten yet. Saya belum makan. Another example, saya, ablalar who wants to give?
Saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah, it's okay also. Saya, can I delete this? I already record, and then later I will send to group video. Okay?
Okay.
So it's clear enough, ya. Okay. Another example, saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. Ya, saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. It means I cannot. Nah, salah terus English deh. I haven't spoken Indonesian yet. I'm not able to speak. I'm not able to speak bahasa Indonesia yet. I'm not able to speak bahasa Indonesia yet. Saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. Yani Indonesia henüz konuşamam. Öyle mi? Konuşabilirim. I'm not able to speak bahasa Indonesia yet. Saya belum bisa.
Henüz İngilizce konuşamıyorum.
Teşekkürler abla. Konuşamıyorum. Öyle mi? Henüz Indonesia konuşamıyorum, değil mi?
Ya.
Okay. Saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. Yani I'm not able to speak bahasa Indonesia yet. So belum it means not yet. Henüz değil yani. We can also say like this. Saya belum cantik. We can also say like that for adjective. Saya belum cantik. What is the meaning of saya belum cantik?
Henüz güzel değilim gibi bir şey.
Evet, henüz güzel değilim. Yani I'm not beautiful yet. Yeah, we can also say like that. I'm not beautiful yet. But later I will be beautiful. Değil mi? Yani sonra güzel olacağım. Ama şimdi henüz güzel değilim. Saya belum cantik. Öyle diyoruz. Saya belum cantik. Yani henüz güzel değil.
Hani mesela düğüne bir yere giderken daha hazırlanmamışsın ya, o zaman bu cümle kullanılabilir mi? Daha
Nasıl ama?
giyinmemişsin. Daha normalde beautiful güzel yüz anlamında ya. Ama
Evet,
saya belum cantik cümlesini daha kıyafetlerini giymeden, yüzünü İşte
Ya,
örnek
olur,
veriyorum,
olur.
ihtiyacı yapmadan olur mu?
Olur.
Okay.
Sadece use için değil yani.
Okay.
Olur. Is there any question abla? Başka sorular var mı? About this one.
Bir daha da.
So for answering for negative answer, so we can use tidak. Tidak means no. No for verb and adjective. And then bukan. Bukan is also mean no. But for nouns. And then belum it means not yet. Jadi misalnya tidak, bu higher demek ama fiil ve sıfat için. Bukan bu da değil. Mesela Türkçesi değil ya. Ama sadece isim için. Mesela Türkçesi sıfat için de değil ya. Mesela güzel değilim öyle. Ama Indonesia sadece isim için bukan. Yani bukan. Mesela belum bu henüz değil demek. Okay. We continue.
For example, if I want to say it's not my book.
It's
Here,
not my book.
My book.
Yeah.
Yeah. How can
So,
I put this?
Book is a noun, right? So book is a noun. So ini or itu, this or that, ini bukan bukuku. Bukan. So because book is a noun, so we use bukan. Ini bukan bukuku.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is there any question, Abla? No. We will continue. So this, remember ya. Okay. We continue. So this is bukan. For example, like bukan, ini bukumu. Is this your book? Bukan. No, it's not. Why this is bukan? Because book is a noun. So we use bukan here. No, it's not. Bukan. Ini bukan bukuku. So I can say like that. Nama Anda Raymond. Ya abla?
Ya Türkçe düşünürsek burada direkt senin kitabın mı? Değil cevabı. Yani burada Türkçe düşünürsek direkt Türkçe ile aynı şeyler.
Aynı.
Hocam.
Evet, doğru abla. Evet, aynı. O zaman daha kolay olur değil mi? Mesela Türkçesi de aynı değil mi? Ini bukumu.
Evet,
Bu senin,
Türkçesi
evet.
de aynı.
Evet, senin
Bu senin kitabın mı? Değil.
Değil, evet. No, it's
Değil.
not. Yani bukan. Evet, doğru. Yani bukan bu değil. Ama sadece isim için. Nama Anda Raymond. Yani is your name Raymond? Senin adın Raymond mı öyle? Değil, bukan. No, it's not. Okay. So for tidak, onje, for this is fiil ya. This is the verb, bekerja. Apakah Anda suka film horor? Tidak. Do you like horror film? Tidak. So we use tidak because this is suka. Suka means like. So, Nia, kamu sudah makan? Kamu sudah makan? Have you eaten? Sudah means zaten, yani sudah. Kamu sudah makan? Have you eaten? Belum, yani henüz değil, not yet. Belum. Have you ever? For example, apakah Anda pernah ke Indonesia? Have you ever been to Indonesia? Belum. No, I haven't. Belum. Pernah, I will write. Pernah means ever. Tidak pernah means never. So, pernah, apakah Anda pernah ke Indonesia? Have you ever been to Indonesia? It means like that. Misalnya Türkçesi, pernah bu hiç mi? Yok mu? Hiç Indonesia geldin mi? Öyle. For example here, apakah Anda pernah ke Indonesia? Have you ever been to Indonesia? Misalnya Türkçesi Allah, Hiç Indonezya'ya geldin mi? Öyle mi Türkçesi?
Evet.
Hiç Indonezya'ya geldin mi? Öyle. Hiç. We say pernah. Apakah Anda pernah ke Indonesia? And then it answer with belum. Belum means not yet. I haven't. No, I haven't. Jadi henüz gelmedim. Belum. We say belum because belum. It can also for verb ya, because gelmek. Apakah Anda pernah ke Indonesia? Belum. Have you ever been to Indonesia? No, I haven't. Or I can say tidak pernah. Tidak pernah means never. Tidak pernah. Never. Tidak pernah. Ini Turkcesi tidak pernah Bu, asla ya. Never. And then kamu pernah makan durian? Have you ever eaten a durian? Belum, no, I haven't. Ablalar, sudah pernah makan durian? Pernah. Satu kali, sekali. İlk defa. Pernah?
Yani ne yedim ne yemedim diyemiyorum. Belum.
Belum. Belum. Oke.
I tried.
Durian biliyor musun? Do you know durian?
Yes, I know.
Yes,
I
fruits.
tried. But I can't say I ate.
Sudah ya. Mungkin oke. And then for positive answer, instead of iya, before for positive answer we use iya or ya. Another answer we can also use mau, sudah, boleh, or bisa. So what is the difference between all of them? For before, for positive answer, we just say iya or ya, right? So it means yes. Another positive answer, we can also use mau. What is mau? Mau means want.
Saya mau.
Exactly.
I want.
Yeah, I want. Ini istemek ya. I want. Mau. Sudah. What is sudah?
Already. Huh?
Already. Exactly. Already. Sudah. Türkçesi zaten ya. Misalnya sudah. Already. Boleh. What is boleh?
Like you make.
May. Evet.
Possible. May.
Might. Yani bu olur demek, değil mi? Bisa. What is bisa? Bisa yani can. Yes, can. Misalnya Türkçesi ebil. Misalnya yapabilirim.
Ebilmek, yapmak.
Evet. Ebilmek. Nasıl? Ebilmek. Doğru mu?
Ebilmek, yapmak. Cümleye göre.
Evet, cümleyi göre. Doğru. Mesela yapabilirim, yiyebilirim. Öyle değil mi? Ebil öyle.
Evet.
This is for Indonesian. For bahasa Indonesia, we can say for positive answer, iya or ya, it means yes, evet. And then mau means want, sudah, already, boleh, may, might, bisa, can. So example here. This one. Mau makan. Yani do you want to eat? Mau makan. We just say we don't use. Notice that the subject you is often not mentioned in Indonesian. Yeah, sometimes Indonesian people don't mention the subjects because we directly say to someone. mau makan. Yani kamu mau makan is the same meaning. Kamu mau makan. Yeah. Or I just say mau makan. Mau makan. But the intonation is different because this is ask something. Ablalar, this 1 minute later will end. Later click the link again, okay? For join the class again. Bu, bir dakika sonra bitecek, tekrar gir linkten. Mau makan, it means do you want to eat? Mau makan? Yeah, mau. Yes, I do. So Indonesian people sometimes, not sometimes, but mostly every day we ask, mau makan? Udah makan belum? So we ask, udah makan belum? Or mau makan? Mau makan means, do you want to eat? Yeah, mau. Yes, I do. Or we say, sudah makan. It means, have you eaten? Sudah makan? Yemek yedin mi demek. Sudah makan.